In a world obsessed with artificial intelligence, we are bombarded with flashy headlines and exaggerated claims about the latest AI developments. But in this video, we'll unveil the truth behind these so-called revolutionary advancements and debunk the myths that surround them. Myth number 1. AI will replace humans in every aspect of our lives. The truth is, AI is here to assist us, not to replace us. It's designed to augment human capabilities, improving efficiency and freeing up time for more meaningful tasks. Myth number 2. AI is only accessible to tech giants and experts. Well, that's far from the truth. With more user-friendly tools and platforms becoming available, anyone can now explore and harness the power of AI to solve everyday problems. Myth number 3. AI is a magical genie that can solve all our problems instantly. The reality is, AI systems require constant training and fine-tuning. They're not infallible and can't solve every problem on their own. It takes time, effort, and continuous learning to make AI truly effective. Now, let's talk about the groundbreaking AI research that's changing the game. Scientists are working tirelessly to make AI more accurate, explainable, and unbiased. They're addressing the limitations and striving to make it more accessible for everyone. But with great power comes great responsibility. It's crucial to address the ethical concerns surrounding AI, such as data privacy, algorithmic bias, and potential job displacement. We need to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly, with human well-being at its core. So, the next time you come across a headline screaming about a revolutionary AI breakthrough, take a step back and question the truth behind it. AI has the potential to transform our lives for the better, but it's not a silver bullet. It's a tool that should empower us, not replace us. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more eye-opening videos on the real world of AI.